Tonight we'll be learning how to change just the brake pads on a 2011 Dodge Journey. Oh yeah? Okay, so on these rear brakes, the brake caliper piston has to go in and rotate to the right as it goes in. Do not push it straight in, you will break stuff. Like this, please. With the right tool, it's like cutting watermelon with a chainsaw. Just make it easy on yourself. Okay, we're ready to start putting the brake pads back in. This brake pad has a squealer tip on it. It goes on the inside. As the pads wear, this squealer tip will run on the brake disc and it'll say, "Ah, change me, change me." So these brake pads come with a little bit of moly lube, a little bit on the face of the piston on the back side here. I'm gonna put a little bit on here, keep it from squeaking. The regular pad just goes on the outside. Since we've compressed the brake caliper piston to push the fluid back into the reservoir, we can put the cap back tight again. And now the best part, lower it. Yes! Well, I just took the vehicle for a test drive. It's running great, and I'll do the other side tomorrow. I love doing brakes, and this time I didn't even break anything. And sometimes that's the brakes. Actually, those kind of jokes are going to break me. Anyway, thanks you guys for tagging along and keeping me company. I had a lot of fun. We'll see you next time.